will be landing shortly. Please return to your seat, put your seatbelt upright and fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table and ensure your window shades are drawn open. We'll be switching off to Air Studio now. All portable electronic devices, including laptops, must now be turned off and safety stowed for landing. For your own safety, toilets should not be used at this time. You are reminded to complete the necessary immigration and customs forms before arrival and to have them ready for inspection. All passengers, including children,